Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, talking about what is your target in 2020, right? Alright. Every single people know they got target in 2020. Every single year, you know what? Every single new year, people have target. But my target this year, like this target last year, I couldn't find job yet above now because nowadays I have to be mastering my languages every single day because I don't have a job, don't have occupation. So how do I wasting my time every single day? I prepare for learning my languages because every day almost 3 hours or 4 hours wasting my time for learning English, Esperanto, Spanish, Dutch, German, French, Italian. Little by little I started learning that. But 100% I focus for learning English because day by day, weeks by weeks, month by month, since 2013 the time, I started learning writing pattern because for me writing is very important for me. Like this year, or like last year, I focused for promoting 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Africa, Australia, Asia, and then Europe for promoting Aceh 5 countries. That's why tourists visit Aceh. This is very important as tourist guide. Without promoting this very, impossible when the guide, guys from Europe or America or United States, United Kingdom. Because they are all thinking Aceh still conflict between nature with Aceh. But our tsunami system suitable for December 26, 2004 the time. After tsunami, people in Aceh, people were free and then don't have conflict anymore between each other with Aceh and Indonesia at the time. My target this year, I still focus for, looking for a job or occupation, including my languages, and then still continue like promoting for Aceh 5 countries, then if I have opportunity, I want to learn TOEFL, and then if I have opportunity this year, I want to get scholarship to going abroad like United States. I want to improve, my Spanish, and then Esperanto, and then English. Learning accent, American accent, British accent, Scotland accent, and then French accent. Because this is my dream. Talking about marriage, I don't get my vision or my plan to get married first because my experience, my brother's experience, if you don't have a job, don't first get married first because you are nothing because you don't have money. But after you got money, rich people get a job, and then you get easier to buy jewelries, and then get a job, then to get my party, then to get easy when you got headache or get married. Very easy to get married. The point is depend on people. This year I'm gonna to improve my English ability, about learning languages, about focus on learning accent, and then like last year I did very a lot, more and more, very many places in Aceh exactly. I'm promoting for the tourists 5 countries. I'm promoting Aceh 5 countries, 5 countries, United States, Africa, Australia, and then Asia, including Middle East. Right, speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.